This one came yesterday. Not memorized it. I'm just gonna read it off my computer. Friday is payday for some people, but just because you got paid, it doesn't mean you have to go out and get laid. This lifestyle has caused some people's progress to be delayed, health decayed. They are anxious and afraid. Let me tell you about a guy. Let's call him Dave. Nice hair, nice shave, very brave. He went to a rave, his life changed. Where is he now? He's hiding in a cave. He was rich, now he's poor. No front door, he sleeps on different floors. He was tall, now he's small. He lost everything, all. The next step for him was the grave. The good news is he got saved. God stepped in and he changed. Now he drives a nice Range Rover. He got his life back. It's not over. Jesus is his number one lover. God helped Dave and he threw his sin in the bin. He can help you if you accept him.